Hello, good morning, class. Today I'm continuing your chapter 3 decimals, exercise 3C. Find the product 73.92 into 10. Right? If we are multiplying the given number with 10, 100, 1000, what we have to do so that the multiplication becomes easy, right? So here we see if we multiplied with 10, that is the one zero number, that is a one digit zero number. The decimal is shifted to one place value, right. Here you see that 73.92 into 10, when multiplied with 10 we got the value 739.2, means the decimal is shifted one place value, right. Next, 0.7 into 10, 0.7 into 10 is your 7. Next, question number 2, 2.392, 2.392 into 100. Here the multiplication is applied with two digit zero number, that is your 100. When the two digit zero number is multiplied with the given number, the decimal is shifted to place value, right, means the decimal is shifted after 9th. So your answer is 3239.7, right. Next, 0.6 into 100 means the answer is 60. Next, question number 3, find the product. 6.7314 multiplied with 1000, that is your 3 digit zero number. 3 digit zero number when multiplied with any number, the decimal is shifted 3 place values, right. So your answer is 6731.4. 4.8 into 1000, your answer is 4800. Next, question number 4. Question number 4, 5.4 into 16. What we have to do first? First, remove the decimal. Simple multiplication is done. Simple multiplication is performed and your answer is 864. Now, what you have to do first? You have to see the decimal is placed one place value left, right? The decimal is placed one place value left. So in the answer you have to apply the decimal one place value left, means before 4. Before 4 you have to apply the decimal and your answer is 86.4. Next, 4.125 into 86. First, remove the decimal. Simple multiplication is applied. Your answer is 354750. Right. Now, here you see the decimal is applied. 3 place values before, right. 3 place values left, that is before 5, 2 and 1. Right. So, what you have to do? You have to apply the decimal in the answer. Where you have to apply the decimal is applied 3 place values left, that is before 0, 5 and 7. So your answer is 354.750. Clear? Next, question number 5. Find the product. 7.6 into 2.4. What you have to do? Simply remove the decimals. Simple multiplication is performed. 1824. Now, therefore, 7.6 into 2.4. What you have to do? Here you see one place value of decimal. Here you see one place value of decimal. Total place values are 2. Right. So, in the answer, you have to apply the decimal before 2 two place values, means before going to left of the two digits. So your answer is 18.24. Next, 6.54 into 0.09. So after multiplication, the simple value is 5886. Now here you see the decimal is applied two place values before. Here also two place values before. So total place values are 4. Right. So you have to apply the decimal 4 place values left. 0.5886 is your answer. Next, question number 6. Question number 6 says find the product. 13 into 1.3 into 0.13. First count the decimal values 2 and 1, 3. Okay, simple multiplication is applied. The answer is 2197. You have to apply the decimal 3 place values left. So your answer is 2.197. Right, next 0.8 into 3.5 into 0.05. First remove the decimals. 8 into 35 into 5. The answer is 1400. Now where the decimal is applied, 2 place values, 3 place values and 4 place values, means 4 place values left, that is 0.1400. Next question number 7. Evaluate 1.2 square. 1.2 square means you have to apply 1.2 2 times. 1.2 into 1.2. Remove the decimals. 12 into 12 is your 144. The decimal is applied 1 and 2. 2 place values left. 1.44 is your answer. Next question number 8. 0.3 cube. 0.3 cube means 0.3 is multiplied 3 times. 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Your answer is 27. Where you have to apply the decimal 1, 2 and 3. 3 place values left. Means you have to append 0 before 2 and your answer is 0.027. Clear? If there is any doubt in this video, ask me. Do not do other questions from 9 to 19. Do not do it. Right? Thank you, class.